BYD has begun construction on its first sodium-ion battery plant in Zhuzhou, China. The project, which has an investment of 10 billion yuan, $1.4 billion, aims to achieve an annual output capacity of 30 GWh. The sod-cutting ceremony took place on January 4 in Zhuzhou Economic and Technological Development Zone, with representatives from all parties celebrating the start of construction. BYD subsidiary, FindDreams Battery, signed an agreement with tricycle giant Huaihai Group on November 18 in Shenzhen to build the Zhuzhou sodium battery plant. The companies have chosen Zhuzhou as the center for battery production for microvehicles and scooters, as these electric vehicles, EVs, are expected to benefit the most from sodium-ion packs. This collaboration between BYD and Huaihai Group is not their first, as they previously joined forces to construct a standard battery plant in Zhuzhou in November 2022. This plant will produce blade batteries with lithium iron phosphate (LFP) chemistry, and the investment for this project is also 10 billion yuan. Construction began in January last year, and the factory, spanning 310,000 square meters, is nearly completed. Trial production is set to commence in March 2024. BYD Seagull was rumored to be the first mass-produced EV with a sodium-ion battery. However, when it was launched in April, it came with a standard LFP blade battery from BYD. The company has not provided any comments on this matter since then. In terms of competitors, on December 27, the first mass-produced EV equipped with a sodium-ion battery was unveiled in China. The JAC E-Way hatchback, backed by Volkswagen, uses a sodium pack from Heine Battery, and deliveries are scheduled to begin later this month. On December 28, Ford's joint venture partner Jiangling Motors, JMC, also started mass production of an EV powered by a sodium-ion battery. The car, called JMEV EV3, uses a Na+ battery supplied by Farasis Energy. Farasis Energy claims that its Na+ batteries have an energy density of 140 to 160 Wh/kg, and they plan to launch a new generation with a density of 160 to 180 Wh/kg in 2024. By 2026, the company aims to produce sodium packs with a density of 180 to 200 Wh/kg. Other Chinese manufacturers are also making progress in the sodium-ion battery sector. CATL announced in April that Chery Auto's iCar brand will be the first automaker to use its Na-ion batteries. However, no further updates have been provided since then. The iCar brand offers a sodium-ion battery with a capacity of 21.4 kWh, providing a range of 251 kilometers and priced at 58,800 yuan, $8,200. Sodium-ion batteries, also known as salt batteries, are generally cheaper and do not rely on lithium as the cathode material. They also do not require other precious metals like cobalt or nickel, which are used in ternary NMC batteries. However, sodium-ion batteries have a lower energy density, making them more suitable for scooters, small cars, and stationary storage. In summary, sodium-ion batteries offer several advantages, including improved safety compared to lithium batteries, better performance in cold temperatures, slower discharge rates, lower production costs, and environmental benefits. However, they also have slower charge rates, lower attainable voltage, and lower energy density compared to LFP batteries.